up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to day 9. I'm actually not working out this morning. I was thinking about going for my run, but I didn't. I'm just busy this morning. After getting the kids off to school and everything, I'm just actually going to handle a couple things in the house that I have to do, like mopping the living room and the kitchen. And then I need to handle a couple business things real quick. And I will see you guys later today after I get the kids off the bus and for my night workout. We're going to be doing a night workout, in-home night workout. So yeah, welcome to day 9. Use this as encouragement, use this as like motivation, use this as whatever you needed to use it as, but get yourself up, get yourself going as a family, as just for yourself. I will guarantee you will feel so much better. And as you guys see, I'm not working out every single day, and every day isn't like a hard, strenuous workout, but I am doing something. I am doing something as well as my children are doing something, and it makes a huge difference for their energy level and my energy level. So you guys get motivated, get excited to just wake up and start a new day every day. You know what I mean? I know we're exhausted. I know that this has been an extremely long year, but we're here. We're still here. You know what I mean? We are still here. So use this as your time to live the life that you know you wanted to live. Live the life that you know is meant for you. And that's exactly what my husband and I are doing. That's exactly what this whole thing is all about, is living the life we know we are meant to live. And so with that being said, you guys, I will see you later tonight in my night workout. Am I sweating enough? Whew. Okay, I'm gonna call that good. Just got done vacuuming. Hey guys, I am actually making RJ and I something to eat. RJ's gonna have some strawberries and mac and cheese, and I am just having a fruit salad. I have pears in here, pineapple, and blueberries. Don't want it to all fall out. So I'm having a fruit salad. As you guys know, I intermittent fast, so it's 1:45 right now, so I normally don't eat until like 12, but I've been pretty busy this morning and this afternoon to where I didn't get a chance to eat yet. I mean, for the most part, I intermittent fast. I do, for the most part, like follow a set schedule of when I like break my fast. Like I don't start eating until about noon or 1 o'clock. But for the most part, yeah, that's how it is for me. And I don't like to eat anything that's too heavy on my stomach, especially because, as you know, today I haven't worked out yet. So I don't want to eat anything that's like hearty. You know, I mean, I very well could go for some chicken nuggets because I'm a child, but I don't go for anything that's like super hearty because it's just way too heavy on my stomach, and I still want to like work out and everything like that. I don't want to like be bloated and stuff. So a simple salad is literally where it's at for me. Like a simple fruit salad is like everything. That's what I'll be doing for the next
this is our cat who keeps scratching me and biting me. I like the biting needle. That's the best part.
Having fun? All done. All done. She did awesome. I think she's gonna be a little mathematician or something. Yeah, all done for Aria.
Back.
Did you get me a color?
We can.
You can use the same one?
No, actually.
Now she wants to play this game, which she was doing at school earlier today. So, yes, it's going on 5 o'clock right now. You all right, bud?
Yeah.
So right now I am currently making Brussels sprouts that I'm gonna put inside of this pan right here. And I am also cutting up an onion to put into the Brussels sprouts once I start sauteing them up. Give it a little rough cut. Probably won't work out until, it's 5:30 right now, probably won't work out until like 6 o'clock. RJ's in the shower right now, which will give me time to so I'm just going to transfer this to the pan. So along with this Brussels sprouts and the onions, I'm also going to have the shrimp that I made yesterday. And like I said yesterday, I'll just have a couple of pieces, like 2, 3, 4 pieces. And then I'll have my veggies as well. I'm contemplating whether I'm going to make couscous or something, but honestly I have rice from yesterday. I have rice, so I could just very well add the rice without the shrimp. So yeah, that is my dinner. I'll show you guys it later tonight. I mean,
Is that YouTube?
I mean, I think I might be sweating just a little bit. Oh my gosh, you guys. I need water. I didn't bring water downstairs with me, but whew, your girl was sweating. Yeah. And this is what I just wound up having for dinner, you guys. Some rice, some Brussels sprouts, as you can see, as well as a couple pieces of shrimp. And this will be my dinner. So I meal prepped this yesterday and I meal prepped this yesterday. The only thing I cooked today was the Brussels sprouts. So yeah, you guys, just keep it simple, keep it clean, keep it good, keep it for what works for you. Don't do anything that doesn't work for you. What works for me is a protein, a vegetable, and I may or may not add something at the end. But for the most part, it's a protein and it's a vegetable. And I'm just perfectly fine. Like, I just don't need to eat more than that. So yeah, you guys, so just keep it for what works for you. If you don't like shrimp, don't cook shrimp. If you don't like shrimp fried, don't fry it. If you like it, sauteed, saute it in some butter or some olive oil, some lemon juice, some garlic. If you don't like rice, do quinoa. If you don't like quinoa, do couscous. If you don't like couscous, find yourself a different grain to eat, if that's even what you want to do. If you don't like Brussels sprouts, do broccoli, green beans, peas, carrots, sweet potatoes. I can't think of anything else right now, but it's versatile, and do what works for you. Make it look the same in terms of green, protein, and then a carb or whatever, but make it to something that works for you. If you don't like shrimp, do salmon, do cod, do mahi, do a fit or chicken, do beef, do lamb. You can find your way around the kitchen and getting what you like to eat on the plate. You are all set. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow, day 10. Later.